To add an item for sale to your tournament sign-up process, you're going to head over to your admin menu. You're going to scroll down to sign-up configuration and then sell additional items. Okay, so of course this can be absolutely anything. Because we're using this feature in tournaments, it's more likely to be a souvenir, something like that. T-shirt's actually a good example because it requires additional information, so we'll do that today. Description, obviously you can put all the information in about the shirt or whatever souvenir it is. Amount type, so we've got two options. Most common one will be fixed amount, so we just set the cost of the item, so we'll say the t-shirt costs $25. User defined, generally this would be like a donation, minimum, maximum amount, people can decide how much they pay. So we'll go back, we're doing a t-shirt, so fixed amount, we'll say 25, editable. Okay, so do we want them to be able to order more than one? Sure. We'll set the minimum quantity as 1, perhaps 3 is a max as we have limited stock. We're just selling one item, so we're going to do single quantity field, and then you can just put the number in, and we're not going to charge any tax. Okay, so we've created the item. It's not quite ready for sign up process yet because we actually want to collect some additional information. It could be color. As an example today we'll do sizes because everyone will want that one. So we're going to head back to our sign up configuration and then we're going to go down to set up custom data fields. So this is basically you're adding a question into the sign up process. So we're going to add in t-shirt size. Doesn't really need a description unless you want to say that perhaps they fit tight or how the sizing is. Field type, see these are options. So single line text fields, they're just going to be able to answer in one single field. This one just gives them more space if you're asking them to explain maybe a choice for something or write a paragraph or two. The most popular ones, drop down list, checkbox list, radio list. So basically we're going to set what questions we want to ask them, and these will be how the options are displayed for them to choose. If we want to answer in a date or upload a file, these are all the options. So we'll look at drop down and checkbox are pretty popular and self-explanatory, so maybe we'll look at radio list, and here are the values that we're going to make them choose from. So let's just do some standard ones for our shirts. Great. And is it a required question? Well, not everyone's going to buy a t-shirt, so we're going to say no, but if you are collecting some information that you wanted every entrant to answer, perhaps about the weekend or anything, then you might want to add that in and they would have to answer it during the sign-up process. So we'll say no for now, hit create. Okay, so I think we're happy with the information that we're collected or going to be collecting, but we need to add it into the sign-up process. So we've set everything up. But to finish off, we need to go back to sign up configuration, sign up page configuration, where we've already been, but now we're going to see a couple of additional options right here. So we can decide to attach this to the sign up process, which we just made, and then also that custom data field that we just made, we're going to add that as well. So once we've added them and we hit save, we've now added that question and that purchase to the sign up process. So if we take a quick look at it, sign up, and choose for myself. Okay, so that's fine. And additional options, here we are. So please answer the following. Perfect, we got t-shirt size, so I can pick my size. Quantity, so I can buy 1, 2, it's going to update the price on the next thing, so let's say buy 2 shirts. We set it up so it's going to ask my availability. That's going to be part of the question. But basically, here we see the question that we wanted and the shirt that we wanted to offer, quantity. And then once you go through all the questions, on that final step is where we're going to be able to purchase the shirt. So just to see the final step, there we go. Tournament entry, we made it free, $0. T-shirts, so I selected 2. We set them as $25 each. So the total's 50. Now I can purchase. So that's adding a t-shirt, can be anything to your tournament sign up.